Well, we're on a little journey. A friend of mine, he's just opening up this Polynesian Cultural Center. This is on Maui.
Feel free to check them out.
If you've ever been to Oahu, you know where the Polynesian Cultural Center is. And this is a replica kind of the same type of thing, and this one's in Maui. This is a first time visit. This is the first group. They're doing a trial run before they open this to the public. He's invited me here to show you around.
Aloha Hawaiian village. At this time we're gonna start with the Oli Komo. Just to chant, recognizing folks as guests to Waihee Valley. And we'll be accepted by one of the ohana of Waihee. And we'll begin our journey. If one just could be silent for a little while and just collect yourselves, be one with nature, and na kukuna na pula pula o ka ai na aloha o mea wawa o he e ia na hoa mai na lau hala vai mai kai kila I pamana
What you guys have just witnessed right there, back in the day, our protocol was very strict. You wouldn't just enter somebody's house without saying a simple oli like we just shared with you guys today. Ako did a oli kahea, asking permission to enter. My oli was to accept her in, or to also check any guests at the gate, check their intentions, who they are, where they come from, before they enter my house, my town, or my village. So today is a very special day for many, many years. And I could go into too much detail, but Hawaiians have to practice their culture in the park. Today, I smile, I'm happy, I'm proud to be a Hawaiian, because we're able to practice our culture in the light and share them with all you folks who don't know anything about the culture. Even our own culture, struggling to find out what our culture is about. So what you guys in the park take in today is something very special. Some of these arts we weren't able to practice for a very, very long time. You guys get to jump in, get some hands-on experience and enjoy. So I just ask you guys for a little bit of respect. We can turn the cell phones down, feel the land, listen to the birds, the stream, everything, the nature around you, and please enjoy you guys yourself. Don't have to be too serious. I want you guys to smile and enjoy. So everything planted around is all native plants up here. If you guys look up in the distance on the mountain, this whole place is covered with invasive Java plum trees. So we cleared approximately 6 acres and replanted native plants. So we're able to teach our children and our culture about the different plants and other uses, medicinal uses, herbal. So, come on, take you guys time. Different native ground cover, native Hawaiian hibiscus.
It's awesome up in here. What valley was this called, Rick?
Waihee.
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 Yeah, these
The slippery waters.
They grow so fast. the native plants don't have a chance to grow.
Second
Step, we had a nice
second wettest
blessing
place
this
in the
morning.
world.
This place,
Up on top
second,
of the mountain, yeah.
wow, second wettest place in the world, right up in there, and the water comes on down this way, and the river's right down over there. Hey, so Rick, is this your mascot, or is this what we're having at the luau?
Yeah, we nicknamed him Emu.
Emu.
The boys caught him this summer. He was just a little wild pig running around in the forest. And,
Oh, really?
yeah, they caught him and we put him in here. He's
Are
kind
there
of
a lot
our,
of wild pigs in the forest?
yeah.
So this came right out of the
He's
forest.
right out of the forest.
Emu. Hey. Hey.